Hey, I'm going to make some round coasters, and I'm going to work with ZD sticky epoxy resin. There's an A and a B part, equal parts, 1 to 1. And I'm going to be adding titanium dioxide, which is a food grade white powder, to some resin to do flowers with, and hopefully it works. And I'm going to use German glass glitter from Meyer's Imports. So it's kind of golden colored and real fine glass glitter. So I'm going to mix parts 1 and parts 2 together for about 5 minutes. So just make sure to get all equal parts into the cups. So I'm going to watch my time here. I'll fast forward through this part. Okay, I know it's a little off frame, but they're done. I've never done this titanium white before, the titanium dioxide, whatever it is. So, super curious to see what it's going to look like on the reverse side. I'm super excited. I will show the video of the unmolding at the end and pictures. So stay tuned. Okay, the moment of truth. Gonna unmold these, which I've never done these in this deep mold before. So here we go. So there's the back. Let's see what the front looks like. Okay. It changed through the night. Probably put too much white in it. I kept adding and I probably shouldn't have. It sunk to the bottom, which means it might have been a little too heavy. I didn't know quite how much of the titanium powder to use. This took about 15 ounces of paint. Resin. I probably could have used 16. But they're cool looking. Kind of 3D looking on the inside, if you can see that. Alright. So typically they're supposed to have like a feathered petal look. I actually almost like the back side better. But they kind of look like white clouds. Gold in the center. I could have used less beads and less white. So it's my learning experience. This is the first time trying that effect. I think I may use pigment paste in the white next time and just see. And I think I cut my hole too big to let the white out, but they're kind of cool on the top side. And you can kind of see through the edges a little. I don't know if you can see that. So anyway, there'll be more. I'll keep playing and learn how to do it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.